Hey folks, so just hanging out down at shaman headquarters, just taking a look at the pendulums that they got hanging out. So pendulums are pretty basic, pretty simple. They've got a pointed end on one end and then chain to another. The ones that we have here in the store are crystal based. So what I've got here looks like a smoky quartz on the top and possibly another kind of quartz on the bottom here. So pendulums are super easy to make. You can make them out of metal. You could do like just kind of anything that has this simplistic structure to it. It's you and the pendulum, and that's really what's going on. So you want to cup your hand in a nice little cup, and you want to pick out your pendulum. You want to take a deep breath in, and then you want to tell your pendulum, either aloud or in your mind, just to show you a yes. And the cupping action that you're doing is generating your energy. So you see, for me, it goes in a clockwise circle when I say show me a yes. For you, it might go the other way, it might go back and forth. That's why you have to ask it to show you a yes. And say, okay, show me a no. As you can see, it starts to go the opposite direction for me, because my no is a counterclockwise action. Then I say, all right, show me a maybe. And you see that it starts to go kind of back and forth, front and forward, and that's my maybe. So, like I said, every person that grabs a pendulum, you want to ask it very directly, show me a yes. When you do that, just hold it about 1.5 inches above your hand so that the crystal can pick up your energy. In some cases, you'll find a metal pendulum. Whichever conductor it is that draws you in, that's your choice, right? So say it's showing me a yes. And then you can move into, like, should I eat this orange? You know, should I buy this thing right now? If we were in Eastern Europe, people pull these out everywhere they go. And they just like check this fruit, that fruit, which fruit. And they shop using these guys for just general food stuff, which orange has the most nutrients for me, because everybody is very selective. So we've got a bunch of these guys in beautiful crystal form down here, which is a nice conductor. I personally really enjoy working with the mineral beings and working with the crystalline forms. And so, like, we've got these down here. There's a variety of them. They're about $13, and I think they go up to maybe 60. So if this kind of thing draws you in, come on down, check one out, be gentle with them. Cup your hand about 1 inch above your palm. Deep breath in, feeling your feet, just really grounding down, being really solid, and just really directly ask, show me a yes. And then be patient. The first couple times you do this, it'll take you a little bit to get comfortable with them. And that's where you can grab a different one, see which other one calls you. Maybe there's a different kind of crystal that you would prefer to work with. Either which way, pendulums here down at Shaman's headquarters. Come on down if you'd like to find one for yourself.